the OnePlus 13R has just been unveiled, and it's bringing some exciting upgrades, especially for those who can't quite justify the flagship prices but still want great performance and features. Here's a closer look at everything this mid-tier powerhouse has to offer. Price: $600 for 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. Additional option: India will get a 16GB RAM and 512GB storage variant. Pre-order availability: details coming soon. 50MP main camera, featuring the Sony LYT-700 sensor 1.56, 1.0 micrometers, with optical image stabilization, voice and 4K video recording at 60 FPS. 50MP telephoto camera, a new addition with the Samsung JN5 sensor 2.75 that offers to X zoom. 47mm focal length and for X zoom without sacrificing image quality. Note: no OIS here. 8MP ultra-wide camera, offering a 112 field of view. 16MP selfie camera, a fixed focus sensor for great selfies. Chipset: powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, offering fast performance for a mid-tier price, though it's one generation behind the flagship OnePlus 13. RAM and storage: 12GB LPDDR5X RAM and 256GB UFS 4.0 storage, a nice upgrade from UFS 3.1. Software: ships with OxygenOS 15 based on Android 15, promising for years of OS updates and 6 years of security patches. Battery: a hefty 6,000 mAh battery, a bump up from the previous model's 5,500 mAh. Charging: supports 8OW SuperVOOC charging, with a full charge taking about 50 for minutes in North America. Comparison: while it's slower than the previous 12R's 10W charging, the larger battery should provide more usage time. Design and durability: IP65 rating, now with water jet protection, thanks to improved Aqua Touch 2.0 tech. Material: the chassis is made of aluminum, and it comes in two colors: Astral Trail and Nebula Noir. Screen protection: Gorilla Glass 7i, replacing the previous Victus 2.6.78-inch LTPO OLED display. It's a 10-bit panel with HDR10 and Dolby Vision support, perfect for media consumption. Resolution: 1280x2780 ppi. Peak brightness: the display can reach up to 1600 nits, with a 4500 nits peak brightness in high brightness mode. Additional features: connectivity, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4 with aptX HD, LDAC, LHDC 5.0, NFC, and a dual nano SIM slot. USB-C port, still limited to USB 2.0 for data transfer, disappointing for some. Alert slider: yes, it's still present, a fan favorite feature. Weight: at 206 grams, it's roughly the same weight as the previous model. Size: slightly thinner 0.8mm, and a bit wider 0.5mm than the 12R. Vertical in the OnePlus 13R packs a lot of flagship features, like a 50MP telephoto camera, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and a large 6,000 mAh battery, all at an affordable price. The 8OW SuperVOOC charging, IP65 rating, and impressive display further bolster its value.